So the basic plan is there's the line. You can see the line there heading around this Arbutus Point. And there's everybody out there. And it's pretty nice. And there's lots of people up on shore. And there we go. Pretty nice. This is a great one. Those are all the boats behind me. There's me in the dead center. There's a dozen boats up ahead of me. You can see them all on that line. And that's the line up there.
Throttle back again. I just wanted to catch up to this guy. He seems to slow down again.
All right, throttle back.